Okay, Yoshimura Alpha T unboxing. I recommend using a side cutters to take all these staples out, make it clean. I wouldn't tear the box up because even these baggies, I tore the staples out nice and clean. Because you don't know, you might have to send it back. That pipe right there might have a big scratch on it. You don't know. But it comes with a little mid pipe. They say not to get your fingerprints on it because if you start it up and get it hot and your fingerprints are on it, it's gonna be a big fingerprint forever. So it comes with the spring tool, which I didn't know. And here's the spring with the little rubber and the extra clamp and the silencer or the can or whatever you want to call it. So comes with directions, comes with the DB killer alpha sound insert kit, comes with it. And where did it go? Oh, here's the directions and stuff. GSX S750 Alpha T stainless slip-on, exhaust with stainless muffler. So it's pretty straightforward. Got the clamp, so you just need some Allen wrenches. So of course, straightforward. Just gotta take off that guy. I do believe behind there is a 10 mil or a 12, and then down there is the clamp right there. Take that off, and then slip comes right off. So, whoops, sorry for the finger. But yeah, this bad boy. All right, the pipe is off. I got the little mid pipe on. You don't reuse the gasket. The gasket's pretty much permanently in the old pipe. I don't see how you would even get that out of there. And I already lost my pipe. Oh, it's right here. It's in here. But there's no gasket. I don't think so. I gotta check. Seems like I read somewhere there's no gasket. This was super tight. Recommend a ratchet on the other side and just hold the Allen side. The clipping was freaking tight as shit. The bottom one was super loose. Go figure. So, what I recommend is, they're talking about fingerprints on this pipe. They had fingerprints all over it already. So, I recommend gloves. Seriously, put gloves on, because any little, you touch that thing, any little thing makes a black mark. It's very sensitive. And they got it all pecker tracked up already before I even got it. So I'm gonna throw on some gloves, see if I gotta reuse that gasket. I don't think I do. And then throw on the can and then put the spring on. There it is on the bike. It's very, very light and very, very much smaller than the old one. It looks kind of big in the picture, but it's tiny. They are coming out with a matte finish carbon stainless, with these are going to be matte finish. And another thing, don't touch the damn pipe. Even with the gloves, it left marks, but I don't have that many marks. So this is first startup. Hopefully it works. Definitely has a deep exhaust note. You gotta really tighten the clamp down there pretty tight. I thought I had it tight and it was still a little loose on the header pipe. Being that there's no gasket, it's a interference fit, so we're not really interference, but clamp. And over here doesn't even have a clamp. This pipe goes way deep into the silencer, and it has the spring. The spring is on down. Spring back in there. The spring on there. But yeah, she's tiny, man.